Today's the big day. It's Kitty's birthday. You're gonna need a birthday cake. Just one suited to a more feline palate. Still, all the best cakes have sprinkles. And a birthday candle to blow out. Happy birthday! Make a wish, Kitty! Open your present. It's a Roblox doll. I think we need to clean her up. At least she'll smell minty fresh. We'll say it's that new peppermint perfume. Now let's turn her frown upside down. Some clothes and hair should help too. Now cover her legs with the glove. And tie up all those loose fingers. Pour on some glue, spread it out, and it's time for glitter. Keep it coming. Our little mermaid could use a dip in the pool. It's Kitty's favorite vowels. Oh no! At least we still got I, O, and U. But maybe we can fix them up. Now let the magic potty do its thing. Aw, they've never been closer. Keep them on the ground this time. Oh, you got a fish! So grab an old Barbie bed. And with a few adjustments, it's a new tank. Of course, we can't forget the water. What else is our fish gonna swim in? And look, these fish come in a pair. Love is in the air. Water. Look, a sand ducky. Oh, now it's just sand. How would you like a marshmallow ducky instead? They go great in a cup of hot cocoa. Especially when it's all blue like this. Look at all the candy! You hit the jackpot! Oh no! Your lollipop! It's okay, we've got more. And this time, we'll be ready. Our new tiger friends got your back. And, more importantly, your candy. Next, it's your favorite, toothpicks. So, anyone up for 52 pickup? But next time, let's keep them in here. Now, when you need a new toothpick, our new bird friend can pick it up for you. And you can go back to making stick houses. Wow, look at all those bubbles! But we're just getting things started. It's a bubble machine. Press play and watch it go. I think Kitty's a fan. And he's not the only one. Look who's here. It's Jimmy the pig. He doesn't look too good. Don't worry, we can fix him up. Oh, wait a minute. I see the problem. He's got a smaller pig inside him. Looks like he's got something inside him, too. It's a tiny gray mouse. The gifts just keep coming. Speaking of which, you got a new Dumpling Maker. Knead the dough, and don't forget your favorite filling. We can make as many as we want. And we can even try out a few new flavors. Yeah, he prefers sweet to savory. Just make sure you pick the right one. Now let's make Kitty a brand new friend. And I think he'll be a good influence. Unless, of course, Kitty gets to him first. Of course, Kitty can always make his own friends. Let the soap harden. Flip it over. And help our new friend put his face on. Aw, what a bright little guy. Look, you got a card. And it's got money. With all this cash, it'll be like your birthdays every day. After all, think of all the crafts we can do with them. Cut out a bunch of hearts and fold them all together. Make it into a circle, and it's a brand new toy. Fun like this is truly priceless. Look, Kitty, a cup with all your favorite letters. Not impressed? How about we take some foil? Add some clay. And add a few finishing touches. Look who's here, our old pal A. Aw, they're already best friends. Ooh, berries! Hey, don't play with your food. And keep your paws to yourself. Ugh, what a mess. Next time, just use the micro mixer. All you do is push a button. And there's no mess to worry about. Let's pour this mix into a bowl for our kitty cat friend to enjoy. Ooh, a balloon! Careful, your claws! Well, at least we still got the duck. Maybe we can still use the balloon. Drop a surprise inside, and a whole lot of water. Freeze it, and it'll survive any cat scratch fever. Of course, Kitty still wants the prize inside. I think there's time for one last present. It's a mini projector. Just put it together. Dim the lights, and Kitty's the star of the show. Oh, look, Kitty! We've got some new fish! But that's not the best place to keep them. Kitty just loves playing with fish. So we'll make an aquarium just for her. This dome's the best seat in the house. Of course, it's gonna need some water. Now take some old crayons and melt them up. Slowly pour it into the water. It'll cool into makeshift coral. Stand them up and add all sorts of decorations. And we can't forget the fish. Oh, it looks like Dolly wants to play too. Why not go for a swim? Talk about a sink or swim moment. Why not try a pop tube swim tube? This'll keep your head up high. Look what's inside our rubber duck. An even tinier duck. But if you want something you can sink your teeth in, make tiny marshmallow ducks. Hey, what happened to your shoes? Well, they're not gonna find themselves. Shoes sure end up in the strangest places. Why don't we use this foam sheet and make you a mermaid fin? Add glue towards the fin and add glitter. And now, your shoes will be pretty hard to miss. I think you dropped something. Uh-oh. No matter, we'll make you a better one. We'll need seashells, pearls, and paint. Sensing a pattern, add glitter. Try it on and get sparkly. Laundry's done. Great, we can use the hanger. With a little imagination, we can make it a ladder. Now take a pop tube and slice it down the middle. Hook it up and it's a slide, a water slide. Time to make some sand duckies. Add glue and he's a forever duck. You know what's next, glitter. Add a lid and he's the perfect coffee table. Ooh, a seashell. This'll be great for our next craft. Stack them up together. Now drip some glue over it. And you've got a brand new fountain. Talk about treasure. We got chewy candy. This will go great on a cupcake. Still, it could use a little more icing. Kinda looks like a pie. Slice it up. It's all about perspective. Next up, grab some old buttons. Now add some color. In fact, we're gonna need a lot of color and lights. Just whip up a microphone and our dance party can begin. Hey, we need some shade. Grab any spare wires and make some leaves. Some paint should keep it green. Our palm tree needs some bark. Could use a little texture too. Add fruit for when we get hungry. Need a hand? I said hand, not foot. Okay, we need to get you organized. Let's take some brushes and make them into mermaid tails. Make some paperclip hangers. And we've got a clothing rack. Hey, look, it's a bottle cap. Add some sticks in a row. Give it a dip in some paint. And it's a stool. No bottle caps. It's okay. Even a cucumber can become a chair with the right cuts. Wow, water makes it a sponge. And now watch it turn into a couch. Wow, we're really getting the party started. Everyone's really relaxing. Come on over, the water's fine.